This practice is 124 years old. I'm the most recent iteration of dentists who have had the opportunity to run it, and the legacy of excellent care in this office continues. John really brought me in under his wing and showed me the impact that he has on his own patient base and the impact that he has on the community and how he treats people, how he educates them on their options, how he provides so many services under one roof, and his enthusiasm for the profession in general. This practice is for everyone, and we want you to feel cared for all the way through. In the dental chair, we want you to be educated on all of your options and all of the offerings that we have. We really try to keep everything in-house, refer out as little as possible. We offer very comprehensive care in our practice in order to treat all ages, whether it's kids or old folks, replacing teeth or maintaining teeth, preventing dental disease from happening. It's all done under this roof.